DDC PA 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sir, I am glad our finance minister is here. According to his nothing is rising very much. After the budget marginally here and there, certain items have been affected. The items on which he has cut taxes in his budget are absolutely free from the price rise. Sir, I had a better opinion of Honorable Minister. I have known him for many years and he is a knowledgeable person. All I say is that the budget has a negative impact on the prices, that is to say, it is pushing up the prices irrespective of whether a particular item has registered a higher price or a lower price. The trend is one of growing inflation, escalating inflation. Now, sir, in the last financial year, according to the wholesale price index, inflation was 20%. It appears from whatever material we have collected from various sources, including his sources, that this year inflation is likely to be at the rate of 30%. During the first few weeks of this calendar year, the prices rose by 32.7%. In the post-budget period, the prices jumped up by 12.2%. In the post-presentation of the budget, our calculation is on the basis of the material that we get from the government and other sources, that it has increased by more than 5%. This is since the presentation of the budget in June last. Now, sir, this is the position. Here, sir, I must point out that the middle class is particularly hard hit. According to the studies that we have made, on an average, a middle class man has to spend rupees 55 to rupees 60 per month more than what he was spending immediately before the budget to maintain the pre-budget standard of living. Now, these are gathered from the economic data, and many papers have also written on this subject. Not sir, what I find is that the essential commodities of common consumption are constantly registering rise in their prices, which hit the common man. This is one of the most disturbing features in the present inflation, but so far no step has been taken. One of your election slogans was that you would hold the price line, but exactly the opposite you have done. Exactly the opposite is happening here. The price is unprecedented now, except for 1 year during the whole of the last 2 decades. This inflation is unprecedented, and it is at an unprecedented rate. This is a strange thing. Now, sir, I need not go into sugar and other things, but I will give my suggestions. Middle class people particularly, and all the other sections, are hit at the same time. But paradoxically, sir, the just growers and the farmers are losing. The jute prices have collapsed, and you can understand what will happen to them. Now, You have given here the export duty on turmeric. The prices have collapsed and you have put rupees 2 per kg or so as export duty or rupees 205 or so as per quintal.